Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tools Guys. Today, we're going to take a look at this fantastic NOEVSBIG LED desk lamp. I'll be showing you two ways to set it up using the sturdy base that comes with it, and also using the clamp for a more space-saving option. Let's dive right in. I've already unboxed it, and here's what comes in the box. The lamp itself, a sturdy base, a metal clamp, and of course, the user manual. Now, let's get into the setups. First, let's set it up using the sturdy base. This upgraded base is 9.1 inches, fully replacing the original smaller base. It's heavy enough to support the lamp even when fully extended, ensuring it doesn't flop over. Let's attach the lamp to the base. The lamp features eye-friendly technology with 45-degree asymmetric lighting. This means the primary illumination comes from 45-degree angled LEDs and side lighting, which brightens your desk and keyboard while protecting your eyes and screens from reflected glare. It's perfect for reading, studying, and working. This lamp features a double head design with dual light sources. You can use them individually or in combination, adjusting the heads in different directions to meet your lighting needs from multiple angles. This is perfect for ensuring you have the right amount of light where you need it most. Now, let's set it up using the clamp. This metal clamp can attach to the edge of any flat surface that's less than 2.7 inches thick, making it a great space-saving option. The double head design allows for flexible positioning of the light sources. You can use them individually or in combination, adjusting the heads to different directions to meet your lighting needs from multiple angles. One of the standout features of this desk lamp is its adjustable lighting. It has 5 color modes and 10 dimmable brightness levels, allowing you to find the perfect lighting for any situation. Whether you're working, reading, or relaxing, this lamp has you covered. It also comes with a 30 and 60-minute timer mode, perfect for winding down at night. Just set the timer, and the lamp will automatically turn off. Plus, there's a sleep mode that produces soft, relaxing light, ideal for helping you drift off to sleep. So that's the NOEVSBIG LED Desk Lamp. With its versatile setup options, eye-friendly technology, adjustable lighting, and convenient timer features, it's a fantastic addition to any workspace. Whether you prefer the sturdy base or the space-saving clamp, this lamp has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.